Recover your damaged hair with these Ayurvedic hair care treatments. Welcome to the Hennasooq channel. My name is Khadija. I'm a leading henna hair color expert specializing in Ayurvedic healthy hair care and henna and jaguar body art. And we have our first location right here in Columbia, Maryland. And I want to thank you for tuning in for another week of Ask Henna Sooq. It's our weekly series. We choose your questions, you get your answers. Question number 1 comes from Samira Abu Talib. I have natural black hair and I wanted to use henna since using chemicals on hair is not a healthy process. I wanted to ask, if I use henna with coffee for like 10 months or longer, would my hair color become lighter? So probably not. There's nothing lightening about coffee. Coffee tends to darken the hair because it's a dark brew. Natural things like ingredients that can lighten your hair will probably be like honey, but lightening very dark hair is quite difficult without chemicals. So henna can give your dark hair the appearance of lightness though, but if you want to see some type of lightness and you're cool with the red tones, I would definitely recommend that you not add coffee to it. You just stick to using the henna. Just kind of looking into some natural lightening methods. Definitely check out, there's probably a ton of YouTube videos on that as well that you can take part in trying out for your hair. All right, question number 2 comes from Bamboos 2011. They said, I need help. I did the vitamin C and shampoo treatment hack to remove box hair dye from my hair. Although it removed the hair dye, it also stripped my hair super badly. Now my hair is so dry, thirsty, and dull looking. I've tried aloe vera juice on my hair and then oiling with coconut overnight, but nothing. An avid fan of henna and oils, but I'm not sure how to get my hair healthy again. Coconut oil is not really, it's a bit more like a sealant. So it can be definitely moisturizing, but it's more of a sealant. So it's not gonna penetrate the same, for everyone. So, I mean, there are cases where people's hair love coconut oil and it works and whatnot, but it's really more of a sealant. It's not moisturizing enough. Oh, honey would be your best friend for sure. So you're gonna need to focus on getting your hair back to where you want it to be for sure. So I highly recommend that you do either like our dry hair regimen, that's a 6-week hair program that you can follow along. It's like moisturized hair strands once again, or the Ayurvedic method to waist length hair. That's also going to focus on a lot of moisture and growth and restoration like steps because there's hibiscus involved in it, which is great for restoration. So I really recommend at this point that you need to follow a 6-week hair regimen. Follow that plan, the products come with it. You actually have lifetime access. So if you fall in love with any of those parts of that hair regimen plan, you can repeat it as many times as you want. It's a really good value and really worth it. And question number 3 comes from Carmen Shirley. And they ask, I know you usually use warm distilled water to mix herbs to make masks, but can I use room temperature rose water instead? Absolutely yes. Rose water, make good use of that rose water, because if you shop with us, you'll be getting a free rose water for the month of May into June as a celebration of the Moroccan Rose Festival. So scoop that up, get your free rose water with your order, no order minimum. So just get the good. It's gonna be part of your order starting the last week of May. So stay tuned for that, and we're all the way into June as we celebrate this beautiful month of roses because of that Rose Festival in Morocco. So yes, use it in your hair mask, use it on your face to tone, to hydrate. Look at all the videos that I have on rose water on a YouTube channel, and I have more videos coming out on rose water because for body art, I love to use it as a sealant. Like that helps it get really dark and rich. Like I sprayed on it after I do all of my clients and they love the smell. So it's a must have. So I want to thank you for tuning in. Don't forget, you got to ask your questions below. If you need to have an answer to one of your questions, like right now, all you have to do is go to hennasooq.com, click the bottom right-hand corner for that chat box, and you'll reach one of our experts right away. So I'll see you next time, and maybe I'll see you in Columbia, Maryland at the Hennasooq location. Bye.